Hello guys, this is Vysh. So thank you for all the Teachers Day wishes. I got all your messages, but maybe I did not reply individually. Okay, I would have put a status or something, and I'll try to reply also. Okay, today before sleeping, I'll try to look each message and I'll reply you. And today's editorial is already out, and I thought one article which came in the non-editorial page, which is a very interesting and good feat for India. Okay, like if you see here, the Vikram is the lander. Pragyaan is the rover of the Chandrayaan 3, you will know by now. And the life of this was 1 day in moon. Okay, 1 day in moon means it's like 14 days in earth. So that is what now got completed. So both the Vikram and the Pragyaan is now put to sleep. Okay, like sleep mode kind of thing, like you keep your phone and all. This is now in sleep mode. Okay, because there the sun has set and now the things it will not function now. Okay, now the climate also will be cold, so that related one article came, and in between that, the Vikram lander, before sleep mode, they did something which is unique, which in the world itself is the second country after USA. India has, like, the lander has again jumped, or you can tell hopped. Okay, so that thing, we know why we can't take humans to the moon, because we can take them, but how will we bring them back? Okay, we know to launch a rocket from here and then go and land there, but from there again to ignite and launch again to come back, that we don't know. Okay, NASA claims to do it in 1969 and they have brought back people. They have even live broadcasted the entire thing in 1969, and now they can't do it. So that claims are debatable, but still USA is considered the first country who has gone there, landed, then took everything, then came back. Okay, and live broadcasted it. Then all they have done. So in that case, India is the second country who have at least attempted to, meaning we actually ignited the Vikram lander, and then it moved little bit, just few centimeters, and then again soft landed. So we did a second soft landing today. Okay, so that's why it's a very big thing, and video is there. I'll show you the video also in ISRO website. The video is there. So if you let me play it. Okay, so I hope you can see this. This is in the ISRO website. Anybody can go and watch it or download it. Chandrayaan 3 lander hop experiment successfully conducted on September 3. Okay, August 23 we soft landed. Now September 3, see, this is the lunar surface. See that little dust, lunar dust. That's because you ignited that engine firing. Now it will become even more. Okay, when that fully ignites, the full dust will move around, and then this full device, full Vikram lander, will move little bit. Okay, a little bit shaking, you can see, and then it will go on just few centimeters only. I think 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter it went, and again went there, and then it offed the complete thing, and now it is in sleep mode. Okay, so this thing, okay, when we did it, the full world space agencies and everyone, you know, we have taken help from European Space Agency, NSA and all, NASA and all. So their deep space network, DSN, they are all helping us. Okay, they are all monitoring. Like Australia's one. This thing is there, that they have even put a comment like stop showing off. Okay, meaning in a very funny way. Okay, friendly this thing only. So it will stop showing off ISRO. We know that you have already achieved great things. So so I'll show you more details which came in the article today. So please make sure you watch this editorial. Here a mains question has been solved and explained. This mostly a question will come now in September's mains of 2023. Okay, so now this is the article which came in the Hindu in a different page, in a non-editorial page. So Vikram lander does a hop, goes to sleep. Good night till September 22. That means, as I told, there again the sun has to rise, moon has to, the next day of moon has to come. Okay, so, and we are hoping that we actually designed for this, our mission is over, but still we hope that we will be able to turn it on again after the September 22 also, when the again sun comes there in the moon. Okay, so that we are just hoping. As of now we don't know, because the climate will become extremely cold, and these machines will after that function or not, we don't know. Okay, but we, as of now, we have completed all the missions. Okay, the detailing I'll show you. Okay, see, ISRO's Vikram lander exceeds expectations. That is what is being published everywhere. Whatever we expected, more than that it has already done. Okay, so Chandrayaan 3 soft landed again. Okay, and this, as I told, is the first second country who has started something in a space place and then showed that capability. Okay, else everybody go and just drop it there. So if you see here, Canberra DSN, this is Australia's that deep space network, they have told, now you are just showing off ISRO and we love it. Okay, so they are telling in a very fun way. Okay, taking another giant leap by taking a small step. Okay, that small step which they took, if you see here, just they ignited and then they moved. Okay, and our Pragyaan rover was already switched off. If Pragyaan or rover was on, then we could have with that itself seen this movement properly. Now you saw from the Vikram lander, that camera beneath that camera, that's why dust alone you see. If the distant view you could have seen if Pragyaan rover was active. Okay, so with that you could have got a good picture that already, it has moved little away in the last 14 days and it is in little away now. Okay. So it has landed expectation. This is the same tweet, ISRO's tweet they have reshared, and there only that video was there from which I downloaded. And again, I will go to the article before the Chandrayaan 3 static. If you still didn't watch my editorials, July 11th, the full theory of Chandrayaan 1, 2, 3, its comparison, everything is there. August 23, when that thing happened, the actual soft landing, that even the full details of that day I have put in August 23 episode. August 24th episode, when it reached there, and after that some data started coming out, that is covered there. Then August 28, when Prime Minister Modi, after this BRICS summit and Greece visit and all, he went to ISRO. There he made some announcements. So that is covered in August 28. So in case you missed to make notes on Chandrayaan 3, these are the 4 episodes, okay, including today's episode, okay, September 5. So these 5 episodes total in one place. If you make your notes, your Chandrayaan 3 preparation is complete. Okay, same like that Aditya L1 is done on September 2 Saturday's episode. Okay, and more as it comes, I will like this make updates. So make sure you follow one mentor. Okay, problem is you watch the launch in one person's teaching, you watch the soft landing in one person's teaching, the updates in another person's teaching. Finally, you get different styles of teaching where each person would have missed 2 points. Okay, but one person is covering something, means they will make sure that everything is in continuity. So that's why whichever, if you are not following Vysh IAS, please don't follow anything. Don't follow this partial thing, because I want results. Okay, I want result means you have to pass. You have to pass means you have to study the right way. And to study the right way, you have to again listen to us. Okay, so make sure that you do everything properly so that you clear the exam. Okay. Now Chandrayaan is the Hindu article today. The Pragyaan, after the Pragyaan, lander Vikram has been put to sleep mode, okay, around 8 a.m. today, and Vikram has achieved another significant milestone, as I told, elevating itself by 40 centimeter, okay, as expected, and landing safely at a distance of 30 centimeter to 40 centimeter again. Okay, so this actually, what is the significance of it? Now the learnings from this, okay, we can use this and then we can make a proper thing which can actually launch and even come back here. So we can bring back samples, we can bring back humans. Okay, so that is why this is going to trigger more human missions and sample return missions. Okay, so our instruments on Chandrayaan, this is CHASTE and this Ramba, LP, ILSA payload, everybody has done the in situ on the site experiments and the data are collected and everything is received back on the earth, meaning we have actually completed our mission. Okay, so payloads are all now switched off. Only the lander, the main device, the receivers are kept on, okay, in case anything has to be transmitted or communicated, but the payloads, the instruments are all switched off now. The Pragyaan also completed and that is also safely parked in sleep mode, but again receivers have kept open for the main device, the Pragyaan and the this thing. Okay, instruments are all off now. The ISRO had said that Vikram would fall asleep next to Pragyaan once solar power was depleted and battery drained. Okay, solar power is gone, battery will be drained, and then hoping for awakening around September 22, 2023. Okay, so now as I told, 1 lunar day is equal to 14 Earth day. This kind of basic geography you should know. Okay, the moon's rotation, moon's revolution, moon's this thing, okay, everything like new moon, full moon cycle, this and all you should study. In multiple episodes I would have taught you, but you should have it in one place. Okay, so until they get the sunlight, it will not there, then the solar panels, everything will again get charged, and then hopefully it will function. As I told, when the sun goes down, the temperature can go up to minus 200 degrees Celsius. That is why we have to wait and see whether our devices all will be functioning on September 22. Okay, maybe everything will be, the engine may on, but the instruments may not work. Okay, so that is why we have to see, and we have all done successful till now, whatever we done. The HOP experiment also we have done, it has exceeded its this thing, and the same thing, okay, they are repeating the same point, and everything looks healthy as of now. In Twitter they have posted. Now who did it before? I told you NASA in 1967, the Surveyor 6 carried out a lunar hop, becoming the first spacecraft to do liftoff from a celestial body. Okay, after that 2 years only, 69, they brought back humans. Okay, so 67 they are telling they have done through Surveyor 6, and the liquid propellant for 2.5 seconds it was on, and then they went even like lot of height. If you say 10 feet, they went 3 meters height before landing about 8 feet west to the original landing point. So they went like feet kind of distance. We are just centimeters distance. Okay, so like that they tell there is no proof, and now because those days there is no technology to show the proof. Okay, but they are telling that this is done. There's no video proof for these kind of things, but they are the ones who did first, and India is the one who did second, the lunar hop. Okay, this is the photo of the Surveyor 6 which they have done, November 17, 1967. Okay, becoming the first spacecraft to do liftoff from a celestial body. Okay. So this is the only thing I wanted to convey, but because it's not in editorial, I did not see it that time, and now because I thought it's essential to show you, I did a separate video. Okay, like this, if some other important articles I will do, but anyway, all this will be covered in our current affair test PDF. Okay, so if you enroll to those things, you will anyway get all the information. So now you can go and watch this editorial if you missed it, this mains question. It is a very important editorial. Okay, so please watch it. Okay, and give me your feedback in comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.